Good morning, everybody. Today is Friday, July 31st. Rick here. And this morning, while I was analyzing, we had some major bounces going on. So today at 8:30, about an hour ago, time now is 9:27 Eastern Standard Time. At 8:30, we had the GDP numbers come in for the Canadian dollar, and we had employment cost index happen for the US dollar. Typically, it's not a big impact move, but something something pushed this thing up. So I mean, euro did a big old jump here. We're at the 2 deviation line right now, and this red triangle right here is the previous day high. So I see it's still trying to push up through that. I'm seeing a lot of momentum starting to slow down too. So I don't trade currencies often, but I was looking over here at silver, and we are pushing up at the 1 deviation line, and it's kind of a bounce also. So what I may be looking at is a short up here at 14.95. See if I can find a binary to get in there around that particular area, but I'll also be looking at futures plays here. Now here on ES, we've shot way up above the value area high level. So this red triangle here, this is a previous day high. We breached it, and now I'll be looking for a test to see if it's going to come back down here, and then I'll be looking for this particular area, and then I'll switch on over to order flow and see which way we have a chance of actually going. Now down here on the stochastics, we was in the oversold area, and we're starting to head back up now. So now we're just kind of in a no trade zone for me. I just really want to watch and see where these happen, see if we get up here to this 0.5 deviation line or back down in here. So I'll be looking in these particular areas to see here. And I will shoot on over to order flow when we get into those areas to actually see what is what. So, okay, yes. So the breach here at the value area, and oh man, we got okay, these are the numbers that I'm looking for here. So 2107, and what I'm wanting for is this green number to come down to 0 and hang around 0 if I'm looking for a short trade there. Okay, we had sellers, they dried up here, that was a push up, and now the sellers are coming back in. Okay, this blue box here, these are high volume nodes, and we're pushing around 3,000. So this typically means that institutional traders are starting to come on in, so, and look like they want to push this on down. So let me jump into, I'm going to set a limit sell right there on that box at 2108.25. Give me just a second. Okay. All right. That may actually turn into a market sale, just depending on how much pressure we got continue to come on down into this one here. But I like pullback, so I'm not a aggressive area. I do a lot of working orders, but I like this 0, and I like for this high volume node to be way up here on sales. So typically, what you're looking for are depending on what direction you're going in for sale, you want these nodes to be high. These are stop sales coming into the market, and then the bigger these numbers get, the institutional guys start playing here. And now that we're at market open, these numbers probably going to jump on up from 3, 5, 6 up to 10,000. versus pre-market and overnight where they stay around 1,000 and below. So if you can actually see these numbers, this is 574, 271, 350, 550. So now we're up, this one's 3,600. So, all right, I'm going to watch this and I may be jumping in this trade here soon. I'm going to leave my working order in place just for now. I have 2 future short contracts, ready to go into this one. And then I will watch it on the profile and see if we're going to do a bounce or if we're going to continue back down into the 80% rule. All right, guys, I'll be back soon and I'll fill you in. Okay, I went ahead and turned this into a market order. I was just seeing way too much pressure and this number kept hovering below 100 while this one kept going up. So I'm in at 2106.25 at this particular one here. And I am looking for a pushback down to this area here. At 2101. So now this is kind of where I'm keeping an eye on volume profile. It's really building up in this particular area here. On this this is the what is this? I forget what that line is. I'm going to have to go look that one back up. That's either that's one of the closes. I can't remember if it's a week or current, or I'll got to go back and look at that particular one there. Okay, so anyway, I'm looking for a push down to 2101, and then I will exit one of my contracts, and then I am going to move the other one to break even at 2106.25. 2106.25 there. And I'll just let that one play on out there, and hopefully we can just keep on pushing down for the rest of the day. So we shall see. I am up almost 3 points now, which is actually a good area for a typical scalp that I do, but I'm actually looking for 5 points on this one here. So we will play this on out. My stop is set up here at just below this high volume node at 2108.50, and I'm just continuing to watch. I like for this number to get lower and stay lower, but it being the markets, you just never know what's going to happen. So all right, we will be back and I will fill you in either way. So okay, all right, profit target hit at 2101. 2101. Okay, and what I've done now is move my other futures contract right here to 2108.25. So that is actually a break-even trade now, and I will just let this one continue to play out. So decent scalp so far. Actually I'm expecting ES to close below today. It's been a lot of push up over this past week, and yeah, I don't think it's really going to hold for Friday, but again, you never know, so we'll see. So that is this particular trade here. I think we may be getting back into market profile range now. Yep, we are. So, okay, we are inside the value area. So now I'll just watch this particular bar. If it closes below this green line, I'll be looking for a short, possibly down here to 2094, a tick above anyway. So, all right, we'll see. The scalp went really good on the futures market, and now I'll be looking for either another futures play short or a binary play. So I'll decide that here in a little bit. I still got 17 minutes. So all right, guys, that'll be on another video if it happens. So all right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.